Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to type Roman numbers in computer keyboard. If you don't have a numeric side keypad, then don't worry, you can use the HX codes to type Roman numerals. For this you need to type 2160 and press Alt X all together. It will turn into one Roman number. And if you want to type 2, what you have to do is you need to type 2161 and press Alt X all together. And for 3, type 2162, type Alt X all together. 2163, press Alt X all together. 2164, press Alt X all together. For 5, 2165, press Alt X all together. 2166, press Alt X. 2167, Alt X. 2168, press Alt X all together, and 2169, press Alt X all together. So this way you can easily type Roman number in computer number. Moreover, if you don't want to use these Roman codes, what you have to do is you need to press this window key and semicolon key all together. Then emoji panel will be open up. You need to click on this omega symbol, and now here you need to find it. Scroll down until you find it, and here you can see that this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, and click close. So with these methods you can easily type Roman number in computer keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.